Hello, good day viewers. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. I have this Olympiad question here. The question says solve 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 equals 27 to power 1 over 2. So now let's see how we are going to solve for the value of x. So we are going to be doing some manipulation. So I need your full attention, okay? So now from here, so the first thing we are going to do is that let's introduce another variable k to be 1 over x, and you know that if k is 1 over x here, so this implies that x will be 1 over k. I want you to keep that. So we need those informations there. So now it means that when you see 1 over x, so you're going to replace k. So from there we have 1 plus k. Then here we have what x to be. Our x here will be 1 over k. 1 over k, then plus 1. Are you following? Then equals 27 to power 1 over 2. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do, you can see from here, you can actually write this power here in a single fraction. We are going to have a 1 plus k, then 1 over k plus 1. We'll take the LCM. The LCM is k. Okay, then we are going to be having k plus 1, or we say 1 plus k. Anyone? 1 plus k. If you want to write this in single fraction, then equals. Now here, I can rewrite this as 3 to power 3. That is 27. When 3 multiplies itself 3 times, we are going to have 27. Then we have what? 1 over 2. So now from there we have 1 plus k, 1 plus k over k equals. So therefore here, the power here will multiply this 1 over 2 here. So we're going to have 3, right? 3 over 2. So now what I want to do here is that I want to write this in this form. Okay, and also I will do something to this 3 here. Let's see. 1 plus k over k equals, I can rewrite this 3 as 1 plus 2, close bracket, divide by 2, and this 3 also can be split as 1 plus 2. So when you look at that, you can see that we have 1 plus k here, 1 plus 2 here, 1 plus k, 1 plus 2. What do we have? K to be what? To be 2 here. So therefore, by comparison, we can see that k is 2. Yes, because if you look at this is k here, we have 2 here. Look at 1 plus k, we have, see where we have 2 here. Look at these 2, we have what? We have k here. So it means k equals to 2. And if k equals to, we have our x to be equals, k equals to, now look at this place, we have our x to be equals 1 over k, which is 1 over what? 1 over 2. So therefore, the x we are looking for is what? Is 1 over 2. This is the answer. Okay, now let's check whether we are right or not. So we want to put the value of x here in the equation given to us. So now go to that place. We have 1 plus 1 over x. That is 1 over, our x is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Then we have the power to be 1 over 2 plus 1. So it means 1 plus 1 over 1 over 2. It means we are taking the reciprocal of 1 over 2. So automatically this one will give us 2. Then this will be 3 over 2. If you take this to a single fraction. So now from here, we have what we call 3 raised to power 3 over 2. And 3 raised to power 3 over 2, we can actually rewrite this as 3 to power 3, then 1 over 2. So 3 to power 3 is 27. We have 27, 1 over 2. And that is it. So we can see that we have the 1 over 2, okay, satisfy this equation here. So that is the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to follow or to subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay. Share this to your learning colleagues so they can also benefit too. Thank you. Bye bye.